So on this quick tip, I just wanted to show you a nice easy way to work with the panels in here, and in particular how to free float those panels. When I drag off in After Effects something like the project panel here and drag it around, you'll notice these areas of the screen that go purple. They're basically showing you where this panel will be docked if you was to let go now. So if I let go now, it gets docked in this group here along with the composition and the footage there. Drag it back off again, and again it goes purple. So if I bring it over here, see a little purple line there and let go, it docks it as a whole new group there by itself. But here's a little trick. If I drag this off, and instead of looking for the purple areas there, just hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. And what that does is it allows you, when you let go, to make it free floating. So I can actually position it wherever I want now, and I can resize it, for example. So I could drag that onto a second monitor if I want. If I do want to redock it again, just click the tab, drag it back over here, and again, when it's purple like that, I can let go, and it's now docked neatly back in with the project and the effect controls panel. So if you're looking for a free floating panel, just use that Control or Command key, and that allows you to do it. If you find it useful, don't forget to leave us a like. Thanks.